Imagine you employ a person and you tell the employee, these are your 10 duties, you have to perform them daily. Now, by some accident, somehow, he forgets 7 duties and remembers only 3. So, although he might be very sincere, very hardworking, but all his performance will be regarding the 3 duties that he has remembered. Regarding the rest of the 7 duties, his performance will be 0, nil. So, in the eyes of the employer, will he be a successful employee? So, in the same way, if we don't know all the duties that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has put on our shoulders, and know only some of them, and we are performing them, fulfilling them with top sincerity and hard work, we are running the risk of being declared on the day of judgment as unsuccessful.